Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel and in new video. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a new USDT mining platform where you can earn USDT by just investing some USDT. So this video is very useful for you. So watch this video till end, and also an option available for you if you don't have USDT. So watch this video till end. So let's begin the video. So guys, website's link given in the description box. You need to click on the link. After click on the link, such an interface will come to front of you. This website name is Global Mall. You need to create an account. For create an account, these all details you need to fill. First a username, then email address, and this is password and transaction password. You must remember these all password because these passwords are very useful for withdraw your money. So please note this password anywhere. Okay. After you need to click on register account and your account will be created. So first I create my account and after talk to you. So after registered your account, this interface will come to front of you. You can see this is the basic detail of the website. You can see 12 USD you will get as a sign up bonus reward, and after this is website legal white paper. You can check this on, click on the link, and you can check the global this white paper of this website. Okay, you can see this is PDF of the website. You can check. So I show you what's inside in this drive. Okay, so you can see this is the basic detail of the website. You can see a lot of pages here, 38 pages. All details are given in this pages. Okay, you can watch all these details. You can see. So this website is really and real website. So the all details of the website given here. You can see this is the certificate of the website. So all details are given here. So we go back and you can read all these detail by click on the link which given in the description box, and all details are given here. So I need to click on must option, okay option, and you can see 12 USD you will get this bonus. This is the option. When you click on mine option, here are the option you can see. So this website interface is this type of interface. When you scroll down, you can see partner of this website, Amazon, Shopify. I know you know this website very well because this website we daily use in our life. Okay, so this is our basic details. So now I show you how to do income. For income, though two options are available: first investment and second without investment. So I tell you first without investment. For without investment, you need to do share this website with your friends. When you click on this option, here are option available: invite option. Here you can see this is copy invitation link. You just need to click on this link and you need to share with your friends on your social media platform like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. A lot of social media platforms are available where you can share your referral link, and you can earn money if your friends join through your link and they invest. You will get a good commission. Here are options, all details given how much commission you will get. In first level you will get 14%, and in second level you will get 4%, and in third level you will get 2%. It means if your friends invest through your link, you will get 14% commission, and in 3 levels you will get commission. So this is very good concept. And also when you click here, you can see all your team report. Okay, so this is the best option of the website. So you will all details you can check. And now I show you how to do investment and earn money. For this you need to click on the investment, but before doing investment I show you where you can invest if you do investment. This is my current level because this is free, and in this level I don't earn money. But if you upgrade your level to VIP 1, you will earn. For this you need 15 USD, and this is commission, 9% commission you will get, and 2 order you will get if you recharge for VIP 2. For this you need 40 USD. This is VIP 3, VIP 4, VIP 5, 6, 7, 8 VIP levels are available here. For 8 VIP you need 51,000 USD. So if you invest more you will get more. Okay, so this is very nice concept of the website. Okay, so for do recharge you need to click on the recharge option. Just click here and click on plus icon, and you can see this is the address of the website. You just need to click on copy option and you need to do recharge. You can do recharge from any of your crypto wallet which you are using to recharge any other sites. So you can do recharge. Okay, so this is very easy. You just need to do recharge, and after 5 to 10 minutes your recharge will be credit to your account. Okay, after you need to click here and you need to come here back and you need to click on join option, and after join now you need to click on join now, and your VIP level will be activate. Okay, after this you need to click on start making money, and when you click here you need to do start grabbing orders. Okay, when you click on start grabbing order, your order will be start, and you can see the number of level transaction. Because I don't done recharge, so I don't do grabbing, but if you do recharge you will able to do this. Okay, and here you can see all your tasks report like pending, which is pending, which is completed, and which is freezing. So all details are given here. Also this is the option of customer support. If you have facing any issue you can contact them by Telegram or WhatsApp also available. So this is the method of the website, and also I will give link in the description box of their Telegram channel, so you can join them. Okay, after I tell you how to do withdrawal. For this you need to click on withdrawal option. After click on here you need to first add your wallet address. So I add first. So I am using Trust Wallet. For this I just need to click on copy address and come to here and paste your address, and after this we need to put transaction password which we make when we are creating our address. Okay, and you can see our address has been edit. Now we need to click here and do withdrawal. For withdrawal you just need to click on withdrawal amount and password and click on withdrawal option, and withdrawal will take only 3 to 5 minutes and your withdrawal will be get. So this is very easy. You will get withdrawal very instant. And if you want to see withdrawal proof, you can join company's Telegram channel, and also my Telegram channel I will show you on my Telegram channel. So this is very concept. So I show you now their Telegram channel. This is the Telegram group of the website. You join here and you can chat also here and earn money. Okay, and you can see this is the website. And one thing I want to tell you that if you want to do recharge, minimum recharge, you can do 3 USDT and you can activate your VIP one. Okay, so as you can see, this is the group of the website. You can join also and start chatting, and if you face any issue you can contact here and tell them. This is the customer support also available. Okay, so all details I given in the video of this website. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please click on the like option and also do subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. So let's meet in next